Students who are eligible for an accommodation of print matter in alternate format, or AFP, need to submit an online request for each book they need converted. To make a request, first navigate to the home page for Disability Resources, nau.edu/dr. Once you land on the home page, choose the Access Login drop-down menu, and then choose the Student Login link. This will take you to the Disability Resources online service menu for students. When you choose the alternate format textbooks link, you'll be asked to log in using your NAU user ID and password. On the alternate format main page, you have 3 choices. To submit a book request, you need to choose the New Request link. On the New Request page, there are 2 choices for searching: registered courses or searching for new books. The registered course option is not set up, so when requesting a book to be converted, you always need to choose the second link, which is searching for books. Once you choose this link, you'll be able to enter the ISBN number, which is a 13-digit code if you have it, or you can search by the book title. In this instance, I put in the ISBN number and there was no book found, so I'm going to search by the title of the book. And I'm going to add the author. So this is the book that I'm looking for. So I'm going to choose the plus button, which is going to add the content to your shopping cart. Your shopping cart is going to show up under the pending requests field. If you're ready to check out, you can choose the cart that has the arrow button going to the right. If you want to delete your request, you choose the cart that has the X in the middle. I'm going to search for another book. This particular book, the one I'm looking for is the 9th edition, so I'm going to choose that. You can see there's a lot of books that may come up when you're searching. If you put in the ISB number and nothing comes up, and you put in the title and nothing comes up, you can also request new content. Choose the new content button and then enter the information in this field, and that will allow you to enter a book and make a request for a book that's not showing up in one of the other fields. Once you've entered all your book requests, you can check out of your cart. Choose the little shopping cart that has the right arrow for checkout. And then this will give you a list of the items that you've chosen. This is your last chance to cancel the request if you made a mistake. In this section, you'll be able to choose the format that you want the book in. A general e-text format is going to be a PDF file. A Word or RTF format is an actual Word document that would be used by most screen readers, such as JAWS or NVDA. The general e-text format would be used by text-to-speech readers, such as Read and Write Gold or Kurzweil, or you can choose Braille format. This is also where you would need to upload your receipt. When making your request, you don't have to upload a copy of your proof of purchase, but before the books can be delivered to you, you would need to upload your receipt here. You can always go back and review the request that you made later, and you'll see these buttons to upload your receipt at that time also. So if everything looks good, I'll change this one to Word format. Choose the checkout button to send the request, and then you'll come to the screen that lets you know that your request was submitted. You'll also receive an email that confirms that you requested the books with all the relevant information. You always have the option to go back to the alternate format home page and choose View My Requests to look at all the requests that you have made. You're going to need to choose the semester that you chose the books for. and then all the requests that you make for that semester will come up. This is where you can go back and upload your proof of purchase, or if you decide you don't need the book, you can make a cancellation. Once your books have been converted, you'll receive an email notifying you that the books are ready for you to download. To access the books and download them, you'll go back to the Online Services menu, the main menu, click the Alternate Format Textbooks button, and choose Download My Files. Again, you want to choose the semester that you're in, and then your books that are ready for you to download will show up on the screen. So the books are going to be delivered to you in individual chapters in the format that you requested. The way that you download the books is over to the right side of the chapter that you want to download. There's a download button for downloading files. You just choose that button and the chapter will download. If you click on the chapter to open the book, then you want to download again to your actual desktop, and then you can choose the place on your desktop that you want to download the file. So I'm going to download into the book download folder on my computer. That way the book will be available to you on your desktop, your laptop, to access with whatever method you're going to use to read it later. So if you go back and look at the requests that were made for all the books for the semester that you're enrolled in, you'll see that the format originally says unspecified. This doesn't have anything to do with the format that you requested. This is just how the books are labeled in our system. Once the book is actually downloaded, you'll see the format change to the format that you actually received it in. So don't be concerned if you're looking and you think, oh, I requested an e-text, but this says unspecified. It's not going to be a problem. In the My Requests tab, you'll notice you still have the ability to upload a receipt or to cancel the request up until the time that you get the notification that the book is ready to download. Once the book is ready to download, then you will not be able to cancel the request. You can view the receipt that you uploaded previously, and you can download the book more than once if you accidentally delete a file. If you experience any difficulty when making your book request, please call our office at 928-523-8773 or email the Alternate Format Program at afp@nau.edu.